Hello friends, greetings. Myself Kamlesh Patel, Assistant Professor, Mechanical Engineering Department, Rai University, Rai University, Canada. So today we are introduce the course on force of petrol engineering. So there is the force of suction, compression, expansion, and exit is there. So what is the suction stroke is there? First stroke, the piston is there, connecting root and current servicing. Okay. So piston moves TDC to BDC. What is TDC? Top dead center and BDC is bottom dead center. So piston moves TDC to BDC. So that time piston, the inlet coil is open, the piston drawn, the air fuel mixer taking inside of the cylinder. And now we can see the combustion stroke is there. In the success stroke, only the inlet coil is open and the coil is closed. In compressor stroke, the inlet and exit coil is closed. Okay. And that time the piston moves BDC to TDC, and that time the air fuel mixer is compressed. So next stroke is the expansion to power stroke. In this compressor stroke, we can see the piston facing the external thrust on the piston head circle. It is called the knocking. One kind of the pulsating sound coming from the engine side is called the knocking. So whenever we can see the some part of the pulsating noise from the engine side, it is called the knocking. So there is the blast or there is the expansion will be there. The piston moves TDC to BDC forcefully. So lines are move. And next we have to see the exhaust of exhaust of is there. The piston pushes out the burn gases easily, and that time the inlet valve is closed and exhaust valve is open. The all the exhaust gas it can be directly out from the uh, atmosphere through the sinusoid. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you.